Hello, welcome to All in a Game. Today I have Vivan with me for a quiz of Hangman. As you can see, the word is ready and so is Vivan. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Vivan, you're ready. So, ready to guess the word within 6 turns. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so let's go. Let's see if Vivan is able to guess the word before the hangman hangs. Alright, ready. Let's start. Which word first? Which letter first? Sorry.
You.
You. Ooh. Nope. No you there. You are not there yet, Vivan. No. Okay, the head's here. Next.
E.
E. Oops. No E on this one. No E here either.
I.
Okay. Trying the vowels first. I guess you got the wrong ones first. I am here. You are not there. No. Goes there. Next one. Come on, Vivan.
A.
A. Okay. Finally, he's got one. So here we have the A has come. The A is here. Go. Next one.
It's like this, right?
Oh, yeah. So sixth letter is A. So which one? What is the? So you've got A, I, A, E, I, and U. Out of which only A is there in the word. What are you going to try next?
O.
Ooh, okay. O it is. The O is here and the O is here.
Double O.
Yes, it's a double O. Come on. If you guess the wrong word, okay, then also the hangman's one part will come in. So you rather guess the letter instead, which will save you one life. Come on.
No, that's not the word.
Guys, I think you're kind of guessing it. Let me know in the comments if you've already guessed it before he does or doesn't. I don't know.
R.
R. Nope. No R here, Vivan. The legs have come. No R. Come on. Give it a shot. What else? What could it be? What are the letters? What are the words that have double O's and an A? What could it be? Come on.
I can't get any double O's.
Think. Or maybe just think of the letters that generally go along with the double O. So you can actually, place it there and, form the word accordingly. Go,
I
think.
can't even remember any double O's.
It's okay.
Starting.
Think. What are the words with double O's?
Starting double.
Not necessarily starting. If you can guess the words in between also, we will still be there. So, yeah.
Between is a bit hard.
It is. Once you know the word, you'll be like, this was so easy. I actually knew it. That way. It's a very, very easy word. Come on.
If it's ending with A, then last two words would be. I is not there, right?
No idea.
Then what would
And the vowels are over now. So you have to go with the consonants.
If there is no. What? N.
N. No. N for no. N is not there. You are so close to the hangman hanging, Vivan. Come on. You can do it, I
Can
think.
you even give it a face so that I'll get more chances?
No. That's not how hangman is played. No, we play it just the way it is played traditionally, classically. The classic hangman. So, no, you won't get additional chances. Come on. Okay, I might give you a clue.
Okay.
It's a sport.
Football.
See, you guessed it even without guessing the thing because I gave you a big clue. So, yes, it is. So, that is why I kept telling you, think of what are the letters with double O. Very few words are there with double O, right? Good, food, loot, foot. So, you could have gone that way and you could have gone it. So, football it is. Not bad. The second I gave you the clue, you actually guessed it. Generally, hangman doesn't give clues, but I did because I wanted you to it. Hope you guys actually were able to guess it before he did, before I gave him the clue. If you did, you can leave us a comment and tell me, oh, Nupur, it was so easy. I just guessed it even before you gave the clue. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this particular episode of Hangman. And if you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our regular videos. Until then, it's a bye from me and Vivan. See you in another episode of Hangman. Bye.